Hi guys, it's Rachel with WTI, and I want to show you this amazing watch for any child that has a sensory issue. This actually vibrates for when any alarm is going off. So the reason I bought this is because my daughter has a hard time with time when it comes to sensory. So this is kind of helpful. It helps when she knows that she has to be dressed for school, when her teeth have to be brushed. She knows when it's lunchtime, she knows when it's supper time. It actually helped her to develop learning time a lot faster. I like the fact that it has little alarms that vibrate, so it's not going to interrupt during school as well. It helped her to know time periods and lunch times and everything for school as well. So this is something that came in handy. It has a nice rubber bracelet so that it's not going to be tight. You can adjust it. She likes to tie it first and then put it on, but it does have all the adjustable buttons so that it'll grow with your child. Very easy to wash as well. You can just rub it down with soap, and because it's rubber, it's not going to destroy it. You just have to charge it as well. It doesn't come with batteries. You just plug it in and it lasts literally for like 2 weeks without charging. It's so amazing. You just have to make sure that you put it in properly when you're putting it back in the bracelet so that it's facing the button. This is something that I highly recommend because it literally helped my daughter so much, but that's just my point of view.